Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the ins and outs of credit card perks to help you make the most of your money. Today, we're tackling how to use American Express purchase protection. If you've ever bought something that got damaged or stolen, this feature could be your new best friend. Let's jump right in. First off, what exactly is American Express purchase protection? It's a benefit on many Amex cards that covers eligible purchases against accidental damage or theft for up to 90 days from the date of purchase. We're talking about things like a cracked phone screen or a lost gadget. But remember, not all items qualify. Think electronics, jewelry, and clothing, but exclusions apply for things like motor vehicles or rentals. To use this protection, you need to be eligible. Most Amex cardholders with premium cards like the Gold or Platinum get this perk, but always double-check your card's terms. Once you're good to go, here's how to file a claim. Step 1. Report the incident to American Express within 30 days. You can do this online through your Amex account or by calling their customer service. Step 2. Provide all the necessary details, like photos of the damage, your receipt, and the item's description. Step 3. Wait for their review. They might ask for more info, so be prompt. Oh, and there's usually a limit per claim and per year, often up to $10,000, depending on your card. A few pro tips to maximize this. Always keep your receipts and original packaging if possible. Also, make sure the purchase was made with your Amex card, that's a must. If your claim gets approved, you could get reimbursed, minus any deductibles. In conclusion, American Express purchase protection is a fantastic safety net for your buys, but it's not a replacement for insurance. Head over to the Amex website or your account dashboard to review the full details for your specific card. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below on your experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.